Welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm going to present you a TLC spring action Dragunov real wood full metal. This is a very well made replica with a fairly real weight, and is having a scope very similar with the Russian one. It's a very good made replica. The gun, as the classical made in 60s Dragunov, has full and semi-auto fire on a selector. It's been designed to be more like a DMR rifle for marksman than a proper sniper rifle. It's the beginning of era developing modern sniper rifles, but it does the job, and it used to be a very good help for Russian troops on Cold War era. The chick stock is quite well designed. You got no issues, especially with the handle to grab the trigger. The distance is maybe a little bit too long, but you can use it with quite success. So, and you have a very nice and decent position to hold your cheek and use the scope. As again, this is a bolt action airsoft rifle. It's quite a strong spring in here, and it goes very nicely close to 500 FPS and within a range of 60 to 75 meters. Obviously, the magazine is fairly the same as like the AK style. It's like an AK style rifle, one of the Russian choices, and this particular magazine, it's a low cap, but it still holds around 30 rounds, 25-30 rounds. You need to be careful when you click this magazine, because it's quite different comparing with any other types you know on AR and M American rifles. The balance is there. You have a beautiful balance between when you hold down. It doesn't come with the scope. The scope you can buy it separately, and it's around 150 to 100 pounds. That's why the gun still has the classical Russian side. You can use for airsoft is more than enough, but for more precise hits, obviously the scope is going to help you. It's a very good replica of a Russian scope, therefore on the distance you're playing airsoft, it will be way more than enough. So once again, the most beautiful thing you can see on these guns is the quality of the wood, is the quality of overall made of the gun. It's very impressive, and again, it's a very realistic looking gun. Okay, thank you again to follow me. I thank you again to watch my short video about this beautiful gun, and I hope you guys to see you on the next video.